less today, more tomorrow.
今天少一点，明天多一点。
Once upon a time, two fishermen fished by the same river.
从前有2个渔夫在同一条河边捕鱼。
Once upon a time, two fishermen fished by the same river. The river was full of fish and was their source of living.
这条河鱼很多，是他们赖以为生的地方。
The river was full of fish and was their source of living. The first fisherman always wanted to catch more fish and make more money.
第一个渔夫每天想着多抓一些鱼，多赚一些钱。
The first fisherman always wanted to catch more fish and make more money. Whenever a fish was hooked, big or small, he kept it in his basket.
只要鱼上钩，不论大小，他都收进篮子里。
Whenever a fish was hooked, big or small, he kept it in his basket. The second fisherman was different.
第二个渔夫却不同。
The second fisherman was different. When he caught small fish, he gently released them back into the river.
他看到太小的鱼，会小心地把它放回河里。
When he caught small fish, he gently released them back into the river. The first fisherman laughed and said, "Small fish are money too."
第一个渔夫笑他傻，说：“小鱼也是钱啊。”
The first fisherman laughed and said, "Small fish are money too." The second fisherman simply smiled and did not argue.
第二个渔夫只是微笑，没有争辩。
The second fisherman simply smiled and did not argue. Days passed by.
日子一天天过去，
Days passed by. Although the first fisherman caught fish every day, there seemed to be fewer and fewer fish.
第一个渔夫虽然每天都有收获，但鱼似乎越来越少。
Although the first fisherman caught fish every day, there seemed to be fewer and fewer fish. He began to complain that the river was not as good as before.
他开始抱怨河水不如从前。
He began to complain that the river was not as good as before. Meanwhile, the second fisherman continued to release the small fish.
而第二个渔夫仍然放走小鱼。
Meanwhile, the second fisherman continued to release the small fish. A few years later, the small fish had grown into big fish.
几年后，小鱼长成大鱼。
A few years later, the small fish had grown into big fish. The second fisherman often caught large and healthy fish in his net.
第二个渔夫的渔网里常常出现肥美的大鱼。
The second fisherman often caught large and healthy fish in his net. But the first fisherman found it harder and harder to catch fish.
第一个渔夫却发现自己越来越难捕到鱼。
But the first fisherman found it harder and harder to catch fish. He had taken all the fish before they had a chance to grow.
原来他把还没长大的鱼都抓光了。
He had taken all the fish before they had a chance to grow. The river was not the problem. It was people's choices that changed the outcome.
河流没有错，是人的选择改变了结果。
The river was not the problem. It was people's choices that changed the outcome. The second fisherman understood that patience is also a kind of wisdom.
第二个渔夫明白，耐心也是一种智慧。
The second fisherman understood that patience is also a kind of wisdom. He knew that taking less today means having more tomorrow.
他知道今天少一点，明天才能多一点。
He knew that taking less today means having more tomorrow. This story teaches us that controlling short-term greed leads to long-term abundance.
这个故事告诉我们，克制短期贪念，才能换来长久丰收。
This story teaches us that controlling short-term greed leads to long-term abundance.